Special request, the bubble bun. This is like your 30-second go-to, like messy mom bun or something, but it has the sport clip and you go right inside of your bun to make it happen. I will show you exactly how I do that. So, all you're doing is take the messy old hair, gather it up in a ponytail like so, and then you take up some of the length, just like this. You're doubling up the bun, just like that. So, ponytail, nice tight. Your fingers are just around there. Gathering your hair. Bring it forward and double up that length. The ends of the hair, no matter how long they are, you're just going to twist like this and go around and around and around until they finally run out. You're going to take your sport clip, just like this. You're going to run the pin along the scalp and right through the center. See the hole? See the center? Right through there, you're going to run your sport clip and fasten it right there on the other side. Ta-da! Like that. And then you can do your bun like however you want to position your bun. Just fool with it until you get it in the position that you like, but nice and tight all day long. Eliminates all the damaging elastic. That's how I do my bubble gum. My bubble bun. That's how